Welcome back to my channel Trader Flexi. In this video, I'll explain how to draw supply and demand. I'll also share the difference to support and resistance. What is supply and demand? Supply and demand are areas on chart where price collapse or made sharp increase, whereas support and resistance are where price might struggle to break. They are at same point on chart. When a major support is strong, we call it demand, and when a major resistance is strong, we call it supply. So here becomes supply to price. As we can see, from here now, price collapsed down, and we had a retest to that exact point. And what happened? Price also fell. So here is a supply to price. So as we can see, the price reached here and it collapsed. I'll be showing an example with the demand. Here we saw a sharp increase in price. It came back here, went up again, came back down here again, and also went up. So here becomes a demand to price. Anywhere on chart you see a big rise in price, it's a demand. As you can see, here is a demand. Here is a demand. Here is a demand. So as you can see, price just tapped into the demand level. So as you can see, price just tapped into the demand level and is starting to go up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.